epic. If you call right now.
It brews an under.
Alright. Keep rolling, keep rolling.
Oh, dude, you got Boston.
Why are you doing this?
Why do you do this to me? If you call right now.
You better call. If you don't call, who's gonna call? Not you.
If you call right now. If you call right.
Run it again.
That didn't work.
With this coffee maker.
Oh, I forgot to
Drink it.
I didn't say 8 seconds either.
Well, you don't have to say 8 seconds. We just. If you call right.
With this reasonable coffee maker.
I'm sorry, I didn't take the ring.
Alright, so.
Listen.
If you call right now, we'll throw in a free complimentary bag of decent coffee.
Run it again.
Cut! If you call right now. If you call right now, we'll throw in a free complimentary bag of decent coffee.
Free.
It was good. It was so